Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the wonders of science and the environment. Today, we're diving into the future of renewable energy with some super easy and fun experiments you can do at home. These activities are not only educational, but also a great way to understand how we can harness natural resources to power our lives. Renewable energy is all about harnessing natural resources like the sun, wind, and water to generate power without harming our planet. It's a sustainable way to meet our energy needs while protecting the environment. First up, let's talk about solar energy. Solar power is one of the most accessible forms of renewable energy, and it's something you can easily experiment with at home. Grab a small solar-powered toy or gadget like a solar-powered fan. These devices are great for demonstrating how sunlight can be converted into electricity. Put it in direct sunlight and watch it come to life. It's amazing to see how a simple ray of sunshine can power a device. This simple experiment shows how sunlight can be transformed into electricity. It's a small-scale demonstration of what solar panels do on a larger scale. Imagine scaling this up to power entire cities. Pretty cool, right? Solar farms are becoming more common and are a key part of our renewable energy future. Next, let's explore wind energy. Wind power is another fantastic renewable resource that can be harnessed with some simple materials. You can make a mini wind turbine using a paper cup, some cardboard, and a small motor. It's a fun and educational project that shows how wind can be converted into mechanical energy. Attach the cardboard blades to the motor, place it in front of a fan, and watch it spin. This simple setup mimics how large wind turbines generate electricity. This demonstrates how wind can be used to generate electricity. Wind turbines capture the kinetic energy of the wind and convert it into electrical power. Wind farms use the same principle, just on a much larger scale. They are an essential part of our renewable energy infrastructure. Now let's do something with water. Hydropower is one of the oldest and most reliable forms of renewable energy. Hydropower is one of the oldest forms of renewable energy. It uses the energy of flowing water to generate electricity. For a simple experiment, create a water wheel using plastic spoons, a cork, and some sticks. This project is a great way to see how water can be used to do work. Place the wheel under a stream of water and watch it turn. This is a basic representation of how water can be used to generate power. Hydropower plants use this same concept to produce electricity on a much larger scale. Imagine rivers and dams producing electricity for millions of people. Hydropower is a crucial part of our renewable energy mix. All right, let's get a bit more advanced with bioenergy. Bioenergy is a fascinating field that involves converting organic materials into energy. Did you know you can generate electricity from fruits and vegetables? It's a fun and surprising way to learn about bioenergy. Try this. Take a lemon and insert a copper coin and a zinc nail into it. This creates a simple chemical reaction that can generate electricity. Connect wires to each metal piece and attach them to a small LED light. The lemon acts as a battery and lights up the LED. This simple experiment shows how organic materials can be used to produce energy. Bioenergy is a renewable resource that can help reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. These simple experiments give us a glimpse into the potential of renewable energy. They show how we can use natural resources to create a sustainable future. By harnessing the power of the sun, wind, water, and even organic materials, we can create a more sustainable future. The best part? Anyone can get involved and start experimenting right at home. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed these experiments and learned something new about renewable energy. If you enjoyed these experiments and want to see more, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Your support helps us bring more exciting content to you. Let's make the world a greener place, one experiment at a time. Together, we can build a brighter, more sustainable